Your physical SIM card stopped working? Or maybe you want instant internet while traveling? Today, I'll show you how to activate a Saily eSIM in just a few minutes.
First, download the Saily app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and create your free account using your email address. Now select your country or region and choose the internet package you want.
Complete the payment securely inside the app. After payment, your eSIM will be ready instantly.
Tap Install eSIM and wait a few seconds while your phone configures the new network. Go to your phone settings and enable the Saily eSIM for mobile data. If you're traveling internationally, make sure data roaming is turned on.
If your internet doesn't work immediately, restart your phone or turn airplane mode on and off once.
And that's it! Your Saily eSIM is now activated and ready to use. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below for more eSIM and internet tutorials.